TIGERCAT 625H. In the world of high-performance forestry, few machines embody the perfect fusion of strength, technology, and efficiency like the TIGERCAT 625H. This six-wheel skidder, also known as a logging tractor, is built to withstand the most demanding terrain while maintaining exceptional productivity and minimizing environmental impact. Manufactured by TIGERCAT Industries, a Canadian company renowned worldwide for its robust engineering and innovative forestry solutions, the 625H represents decades of technological refinement and a deep understanding of operator and field requirements. Performance that defines a category. At the heart of the TIGERCAT 625H lies the powerful TIGERCAT FPT N67 engine, available in Tier 4F, Advanced Emissions Control, and Tier 2 versions for markets with less stringent regulations. Delivering up to 262 horsepower, 231 HP or 172 kilobalance, this engine ensures consistent power in any terrain, even under full load. Its exceptional torque and fast throttle response are essential for skidding operations in steep or unstable ground conditions. Complementing the engine, the EHSR, efficient high-speed hydrostatic transmission, delivers smooth and highly efficient performance. This variable speed system uses two piston motors that automatically adjust traction requirements, eliminating the need for gear shifting. The result is progressive acceleration, reduced fuel consumption, and greater productivity, even in extended work cycles. 666 traction, the secret behind stability. The TIGERCAT 625H features full six-wheel drive, 6.6, a configuration that gives it a clear advantage over conventional four-wheel skidders. Combined with the heavy-duty TIGERCAT rear bogie, it provides superior stability, enhanced traction, and reduced ground compaction. The bogie system evenly distributes weight across the rear wheels, minimizing soil disturbance and allowing the skidder to move smoothly through wet, soft, or uneven terrain. This design delivers better flotation, prevents bogging, and extends tire and structural component life. The result is balanced, reliable performance with less wear and greater operational efficiency in all conditions. Next generation cab, comfort and total control. The TIGERCAT H-Series cab has been completely redesigned to offer maximum comfort, ergonomics, and visibility. The highlight is the exclusive turnaround system, allowing the seat to rotate up to 220 degrees and lock at any angle. This means the operator can work facing either direction with full control and perfect visibility for skidding or log handling operations. The air suspension seat, electro-hydraulic joystick controls, and advanced sound insulation drastically reduce fatigue over long shifts. This configuration enables precise movements, intuitive operation, and superior safety even in demanding environments. The fully digital control panel provides real-time information on machine performance, fuel use, speed, and hydraulic and traction system status. Visibility is another strong point. Large panoramic windows and LED lighting ensure a clear view in both day and night operations. Hydraulic efficiency and skidding capacity. The 625H's hydraulic system was designed for speed, power, and reliability. It features two piston pumps and one gear pump, along with high-capacity filtration to maintain consistent performance during long work hours. The grapple, another key component of the 625H, is available in various sizes to suit different applications. With a wide opening of up to 1.95 meters, it allows for the handling of large log bundles, reducing cycle times and maximizing productivity. The grapple's reinforced frame and precise motion control ensure excellent load handling, even on uneven terrain. Weighing approximately 21.8 tons, the skidder offers exceptional pulling capacity while maintaining balance on steep slopes. onboard technology, and smart connectivity. Forestry is becoming increasingly digital, and the TIGERCAT 625H stands as a clear example of this transformation. Equipped with the Remote Log TM telematics system, it provides real-time monitoring of fuel consumption, operating time, performance, and geographic location. This technology gives fleet managers deeper insight into operations, simplifying preventive maintenance and reducing downtime. The Remote Log TM system also enables remote diagnostics, allowing technicians to identify issues and make adjustments without needing to travel to the field. This means significant savings in time and operating costs, ensuring maximum machine availability. Ease of maintenance and durability. One of the TIGERCAT 625H's major strengths is its easy access to mechanical and hydraulic components. The engine compartment is designed for quick inspections and safe filter changes. This intelligent layout encourages preventive maintenance and reduces downtime, extending the machine's service life. With high-strength materials, a reinforced chassis, and TIGERCAT manufactured components such as axles and transmissions, the 625H is built for longevity and performance in the harshest forestry environments. Versatility and applications. The TIGERCAT 625H is ideal for forestry operations requiring high productivity and versatility, especially in steep, swampy or mixed terrain. Its traction and stability enable it to perform where other machines might struggle. The model can also be equipped with options such as a hydraulic winch, cold weather package, fire suppression system, CB radio, and tilt indicators, making it highly customizable to meet operational needs. The balance between power and intelligence. The TIGERCAT 625H represents the pinnacle of modern forestry engineering. Its combination of power, stability, and smart technology redefines productivity standards in the industry. With a high-performance engine, efficient hydrostatic transmission, ergonomic cab, and intelligent telemetry systems, the 625H delivers an unmatched operational experience, efficient, safe, and sustainable. More than just a machine, the TIGERCAT 625H is a symbol of innovation and reliability, designed to turn challenges into results. In every detail, from its 6 traction to the 220-degree rotating seat, lies a clear philosophy: maximize performance, protect the operator, and respect the environment.